jam from webloaded.com.
Hello beautiful people, you welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful crochet sprinkles, and I want to apologize for not being consistent. I'm supposed to be uploading like on Sunday, that was the promise, but power interruption has been really has been the major problem. Sometimes for a whole week, for 2 weeks. This is our country, Nigeria. Oh my god. So I'm so sorry I've not been uploading every Sunday. It has been due to interruption in power supply, but I promise to do my best. Please stay tuned. Don't run away. It can only get better. Happy new month and happy my great country. It can only get better, my dear sister. So if you want to know how I achieved these sprinkles, watch my previous video. And if you want to see how I achieved this pattern and beautiful hem, make sure you watch to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. Share with family and friends. You know I love you. Give it thumbs up. See you in my next video. So watch video to the end. So I'm going to use scalp wash for my scalp to make sure that it's clean. And this weaving, I did it like 3 days ago. I had someone do it for me. This is called two shuku and all back. So the first thing is put in the remaining part, crochet it into the hair using my crochet hook. After which I will use my scalp wash by Dark and Lovely to clean my scalp with cotton wool to prevent itching. And after that, I'm going to use coconut oil to also clean my scalp to prevent dryness. This dryness of scalp can also cause itching. So that is what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to use my SOS hairline. This is for my hairline, like my edges. These also help edges to grow. So I'm going to apply it and massage it into the scalp. This SOS hairline is also good for braid. When you have braid on, it's also good to prevent the roots from tangling together. So I made these curls. The one for the back, I made it very short, and then the one for the front are a bit longer than the one at the back. So I made this one for the back. So I'm starting from the back, crochet all the small ones, all the short ones for the back. So to crochet this, put the crochet hook into the weaving, then put your curls into the open your lash hook, put the hole in it, and I prefer to use my hand to pull the edge into the hole and to lock it, and make sure that is well secured to prevent it from pulling up. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So I've put in all the ones I did for the back. So now I want to do the front part. If you can see, you see that the one I'm using for the front is a little bit longer than the one I use for the back. So follow the same process and put it in. Now I'm done putting in everything. As you can see, this is about 60 pieces. I'm going to trim it off with my scissors. I'm using my gel for the edges to make it look neat and well laid. I don't like to do baby hair. I just like it like this and put a little bit at the middle as well. And I'm using my Ocean spray for the hair, and this is extra oud spray that I'm using on it. So this is the final look. So you can part it as you want. If you want to look like a doll, just do this type of packing. You can say you can also pack it up and have some at the back. And you can also leave it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe. See you in my next